And I'm not saying nobody will hit my truck, but less likely to hit my hood. That's what I worry about, the hood up here. So cable reels unloaded. We're now over here in Knoxville, Iowa. Go pick up our reload. It's going to North Carolina. I can't remember if I've loaded over here or not. We're picking up a paver. I'm actually picking up 2 pavers. And they're heavy. Supposed to be 10,500 pounds a piece. I remember hauling a paver, but I don't remember where I got it. And when I hauled it, it was a long time ago. So I'm not too sure. Not too sure. But we're going to have to get them on the trailer just right. Alright. Had to wait for a little bit of traffic. It's pretty country out here. I think Trucking with Schmidt lives out here somewhere. Shipping, receiving. I did load here. It's one of those little pavers they do like for parking lots and driveways. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Machine shipping. I do believe that's me. Feeling I gotta back down to that dock there. Alright. Let me figure it out. paver machines. We're on Highway 34. We're getting ready to cross the Mississippi River out of Iowa over to Illinois. I think that's right. Yeah. So this is Illinois over here. We got about another 50 miles or so. We're going to stop, check everything out. My plan for today is to get down to Effingham, over to Joe's Truck Loop. Alright, we're at a Love's. It's not the one I was talking about, but it's close enough. The one I was talking about is about 20 miles from here. You got to give Love's credit. They've been building a bunch of truck stops. That's what we got. These things are top heavy. They weigh about 20,000 pounds a piece. So I'll give you an idea. So I got lucky. I should have moved this one back just a little bit. He put it on there and then I had him roll it back. I should have backed up a little bit. I got 33,000 on the drives with 3/4 of a tank, or yeah, with 3/4 the tank of fuel. So that's not too bad. And I think we got about 34 back here. So that's what we got. They are top heavy. They're worse than coils going around corners. I got to really be careful. Truck's doing good. Bailey. So what I'm trying to do is get over to Effingham so I can go to Joe's, I almost said Joe's Crab Shack, Joe's Truck Loop, and get the oil changed. It's time for the oil change in this thing. All right. So I want to get. We made it over here to Effingham, Illinois. We're at Joe's Truck Loop. Bailey, it's about time for her to get fed. It's about 5:30 local time. We didn't do too bad. About 430 miles today. That's the plan. So pan around here. We've got a couple trucks in line. A bobtail and a couple trucks waiting. Load's doing good. I made the comment earlier today about this truck is bigger than the truck in the white. This truck engine is bigger than the white truck, and it's not. They're the same size. They're C15 15-liter motor. This truck has more horsepower than the white truck, and this truck really pulls good. I know it's kind of dark out here, but I'm putting the Rain-X on the windows because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and that hood spring broke. So that means something's going on over here. I don't know where it would be catching on. So I don't know why that broke. But anyway, I figured that out. Alright, good morning. It is Tuesday morning. And hang on a second. We are in Louisville at Mercer. My fuel card got hacked last night. Mercer, I don't know if it's Mercer's problem or it's the fuel company card's problem. Anyway, they've had a rash of fuel cards, people hacking into them, or however you want to say it. I don't know how they're doing it online or whatever, but on my fuel card, and this is mainly going out to other Mercer drivers, I keep just the bare minimum on my card for money. And usually what I do is I load my card right before I'm going to buy fuel. And what I mean by load my card, I call in and I get money put on my card just to buy fuel for what I need right there. In order to get the Mercer discount on fuel, we have to use the fuel card. But anyway, they got $99.77. I don't know how they do it or whatever, but it's beyond my knowledge how they do all that. But I'm upset because now that's why I'm at Mercer, is to get another fuel card. I just happen to be driving by, but I got to deal with that. Then on top of that, as soon as I got here, I've been driving for a couple hours, and I went to the bathroom. As soon as I got parked, I went pee-pee. Then they called me and said it was up for a drug test. So now I got to drink a bunch of water. So I got my water here. I got to drink a bunch of water until I can go to the bathroom again, so I can go take a pee test. Now, I'm glad I swung by here, because otherwise you got to do it out on the road, and then it's a pain in the butt. You got to go find a facility to do the drug test, and then it's an all-day affair. So I guess I'm kind of glad it happened here. I just got to drink some water and get going. But that's what's going on this morning. I had big plans for today. I woke up early. I was going to drive, park early, get me a good parking spot. All right, it's the end of the day. It's the end of Tuesday. We're in Cattlesburg, Kentucky. Didn't quite get as far as I wanted to today because I had to take care of everything else. I got my fuel card situation took care of. Got a new fuel card, and it works. I bought 200 gallons of fuel. And I'm in reserved parking at the Flying J here. It's nasty outside. I pulled in. I tell you guys why I pull in. This Flying J will fill up. Look in the mirror there. This Flying J will fill up like crazy, and it's kind of an accident waiting to happen. So it costs $15 for the paid parking, and in my opinion, that's $15 peace of mind that I can sleep tonight. And I'm not saying nobody will hit my truck, but less likely to hit my hood. That's what I worry about, the hood up here. So that's why I pulled in. What I'm doing right now is I'm setting my timer for 10 hours. It's 5:30 right now, Eastern time, local time. So 10 hours, what's that make it? 3:30 in the morning. We got about 5 hours down to North Carolina where we got to go. And hopefully it's not nasty, man. It's been raining nasty all day today. So we got about 5 hours. So we'll leave early in the morning, get out of here, and take off. Let's see what else is going on. Booked a reload out of North Carolina, going to Alsip, Illinois, which is just on the inside of Chicago. I can do that. It's just on the inside of 294. I can do that. So we're gonna pick that up on Thursday. Make our way up to Louisville over the weekend, hang out, and then leave out of Louisville on Sunday. It's 300 and something miles from Louisville up to Alsip. So that's the plan. Bailey's being a good girl. She's had a good day. When the weather's nasty like this, she can't get out and run around, so she gets sad. But anyway. Oh, real quick. I know I'm rambling. Real quick. This week is my 11-year anniversary with Mercer. So last year was 10 years. And because of everything that was going on last year, anyway, I didn't get my safety stuff for my 10-year anniversary at Mercer. I think that's right. Is that right? Yeah. So anyway, they're pretty good. Mercer was pretty good. I got a $1,000 safety bonus for no accidents in 10 years. I got a nice Carhartt jacket, embroidered. They had to order that. I got a plaque. What else? I think that's it. But anyway, that was pretty cool. So that was pretty cool. Oh, one more thing. You know, I had the broken hood springs. So I went to Peterbilt and Louisville. And you will not believe how much this, excuse me. You will not believe how much this thing cost. The one I bought was an official pack car one, and I think it was $130. I called the guy and asked him if he had any hood springs. He said, yeah, I got 5 of them. I said, how much are they? He said, $17. And I said, $17, not $117? He said, no, $17. I couldn't believe it. I felt like such, I paid $130 for. Somebody made a comment, said, hey, you know, you can get them cheaper. And I agree, yeah, I probably can get them cheaper. The thing of it is that I need it at that moment. I don't need it, you know, to order it and wait for it. And I'm running around everywhere. So anyway, yes, I know I can get a lot of things a lot cheaper sometimes. But $17, that's cheaper than Amazon. I did find them on Amazon. The cheapest I found on Amazon was $27. So anyway, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys tomorrow.